In this lecture, we are going to see how to create rounded corners called fillets. Here we have a rectangle, 100 into 50 rectangle, and I would like to show you first what is a fillet. Here we have this fillet icon. When you click here, we have 4 types of fillets that you can create. The first one is circular fillet, which is the basic one. Click on circular fillet. Just select this edge and this edge, and you can see a rounded corner has formed. This is an arc, or so to say, part of a circle. Press on the escape key to exit from the command, and when you double click on this radius, you can directly give the radius here. You can see. This is called a fillet. I'll double click this and give a radius maybe some 20. Now let us go for circular trim. I'll select this edge and this edge. This is also creating a rounded corner, and this is part of a circle, or so to say, this is an arc. Press on the escape key to exit from the command. Now double click on this radius and let us give the same 20. Now if you see here, 2 types of fillets I have created. The first one is circular and second one is circular trim. In the first one, which is circular, it is creating 2 construction lines, which represents the lines that we have trimmed. And in the second case, both the lines have been trimmed and there is no reference element. That is, these construction lines are not present, and this point which generates due to this construction line we cannot get in this type of fillet, which is circular trim. Now let's go to the next fillet tool, which is called elliptical fillet. When you click on this elliptical fillet, it will ask for selecting 2 lines or any 2 entities. 2 entities, it may be a line and an arc, it may be a line and a circle, 2 circles also you can select, 2 lines you can select, and any types of curves. Whenever you select any tool, it will show you a comment here asking what actually you have to do next. Here it is saying select 2 entities. So we have to select 2 lines. These 2 lines we have to select. And an elliptical fillet will be formed at this corner. What does this elliptical fillet mean? It means here it is forming an arc which is part of a circle, and here also it is forming an arc which is part of an ellipse. So it's a elliptical fillet. You can give the dimensions here. I'll press the escape key to exit from the command. Now here I'll just double click and give a value maybe some 10. And if you see here, this is the major diameter and the minor diameter. Here this axis have been twisted, so I can take this axis, convert into horizontal. You can see. Press on the escape key to exit from the command. Now I'll double click here and give a value maybe some 20. Instead of this dimension, I'll select this and delete. Now if you see here, this is a axis and this is another axis for the ellipse. One will be the major axis, other will be the minor axis. You can also give the length of the major and minor axis to constrain this arc. Let us give that. This is 40 and this we can give 20. Also, we have to give these dimensions. This may be some 15 and this may be some 20. So instead of all this, we can give the corner dimensions. Now we'll go to the next option, which is elliptical trim. We'll select these two lines and you can see the same elliptical arc has been generated here, but without the construction lines and without the corner. If you see here, this is the corner that we have got. Here we are not getting that corner. That is the only difference. So 4 types of fillet tools we have seen. The first tool is circular, which is this. Circular trim, which is this. Both of them are same. Only the difference is in circular we are getting these construction lines and in circular trim we are not getting that. Next, in elliptical fillet we are getting a corner which is a part of an ellipse, and in elliptical trim, which is this, we are getting the same elliptical arc but without the construction lines. We are going to use circular or circular trim extensively in our modeling process. In the next video we are going to see the application of fillet.